Hey guys, welcome to back to my channel. So guys, I think that in my channel I put only Pokemon cards only. That's why I changed the name of my YouTube channel, that astro.com make my world. That is my now YouTube's channel name. Okay, and in this channel I will put like that vlogging, unboxing, and another things what we do, not only Pokemon cards, but I love Pokemon cards, that's why I put that. Okay, now today about this video is I will unbox this remote control card. Okay, see, this is my favorite card. 3D means its name is 3D MC McQueen, not 3D, only MC Lightning McQueen. That is my favorite card in cartoons, that's why. Okay, and its cost on we go at the shop, that cost was 1700, but the shopkeeper give us at 700 rupees this card. Okay, let's open it. And guys, here it is written, see, here it is written high quality painted body, and then 1.14 scale, and there 4 China controls top, and also that, and lead light. Okay, we will first watch this. Complete function: forward, backward, turn left, turn right, light. This much they have given, and here it is written high speed radio control light. Okay, and guys, it is remote control. I will open it. Let's open it. Okay guys, wait guys, I will show you. Guys, this is this, and guys, the shopkeeper has told that it is also have battery and charging. Okay, so guys, this is the remote. Okay, you can see this is the remote. He has put the seal, and then one charging cable. Okay, and a card. I will remove that was it in this. Okay guys, I've removed it. Okay guys, you can see the car. Yes, here it is red, but they have given black. Now see, here it is the batteries, but we will do with this charging cable. Here it is. Now let's on it. I've on, and it is lightning. See, you can see. Okay, I will show you, and we will check its high speed. Okay, let's see now high speed. Oh guys, it is too much. Guys, it is too much high speed. Okay, so you can see how it's working, left, right. See from here. Okay guys, this was the remote control. Okay, and what thing it is. And yes guys, the shopkeeper has also said that even if battery was low, you can charge at only 1 hour. It full charging will done. Okay, and see guys, this is the front one, this is the back one, this is the right and left one. Okay, we have to go tab on that, then we will go left and right. Okay guys, how was the video? Means this today's video, I have put the video long ago, and today it maybe have 2 maybe months, means 1 month. Okay, so guys, okay, how was the video? Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Okay, bye bye. Yay!